Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Hope you are doing great. I welcome you to another recipe by Cook with Hanna Serenity Cuisine. Today, get ready for a tantalizing fusion of flavors as we introduce you to the delicious Mexican biryani. The name may surprise you as it is a fusion of Mexican and Pakistani cuisines and will take your taste buds on a thrilling journey. So, let's dive into the recipe. Start by heating some oil in a wok and add thinly sliced onions. Saute them until they turn golden brown and caramelized. Then add 2 tomatoes. Cook it fully and mash to form a puree. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and saute until fragrant. Now we are going to add an exciting ingredient of the recipe, jalapenos, but be very careful in adding jalapenos as they make the rice spicy. Then add chicken pieces, mix them well with the puree and fry in the oil for some time until they turn golden brown. Then add Pakistani basic spices, turmeric powder, salt, coriander powder and cumin powder. Keep on stirring so that the curry do not stick to the bottom or burn. Now we need to cook the chicken, so add half a glass of water. Now I am going to add corn so that the flavors melt together. And I will add some spices like cayenne pepper and oregano powder. Cover it with a lid and let it simmer for some time. After some time, when the chicken will be fully cooked, check for the spices and add if any required. Then add rice to the curry. Mix them well. Don't forget to soak the rice in water for about 30 minutes. The basic formula is to add 2 glasses of water for 1 glass of rice. Cover it with a lid and let it simmer for some time. Now add the remaining ingredient, white beans, which I am using instead of black beans, and capsicum, which I am using instead of red bell peppers, because these ingredients are not available easily in Pakistan. So if you have the black beans and red bell pepper, preferably use those ingredients. Now our Mexican biryani is ready. And then garnish with coriander leaves. And now we will dish it out. Now delightfully savor the fusion of Mexican and Pakistani flavors in this scrumptious Mexican biryani. It's a perfect dish to impress your family and friends with its unique taste. Please give a thumbs up if you like the recipe. Hope to see you again in next exciting recipe. Until then, take good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz, fi amanillah.